So today I'm going to do something I've been kind of dreading doing, and it's taking out that rosemary. I do have 3 other rosemary plants, so it's not like I use the stuff, I just like it. School I worked at had it for ground cover everywhere, and just kind of fell in love with the stuff. Don't really want to do it, but I don't want a dead ball in my yard. So let's get started. So you see, it used to grow this direction as well, and that side broke, this side stayed. Dang it, that's actually bigger than I expected. My green waste is almost full. Again, hate to see it go, but it's time. Kind of wore me out, is it? Kind of wore me out. Cut this up. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. We'll figure something out. Gotta get it all in that trash can. That's about as much room as I have in that trash can, which is actually not enough room for that trash can. But we're gonna make it work. here is DiseaseEx with some fertilizer about 13 days after application. Over here, some over there, here, some back there. It does look a lot better, but not great. Before I get the mower started, I took and blew in all the leaves and junk around the yard. I had some leaves piled up back in there and back in there. Blew it on the grass so I could suck it up and get rid of it. Never mind the lawnmower over there, she's asleep. I want to throw up a video from when I first put down the DiseaseEx till now. It's been roughly 2 weeks, so we'll have that comparison. Today's the day we work on this rust issue. See, now it's good sunlight, you can see the bad areas. I'm gonna do the whole yard. What do you think? Does it look better? This is cut the same height. As it's cut the same height as last week. Is there a difference? Can you guys tell? Is there a difference in this area? Is there a difference right there? And is that different?